Good girl. Whoa, you gotta make sure Ava's got the door closed.
Put it in reverse. There you go. Back up. And I put it forward.
Ava's gonna go out of the thing.
Actually, that's really good.
You saw it on the commercial? Are you happy?
Yes.
Cool.
Mommy, you got to tip up.
Put it in reverse.
We don't know which direction.
No, the other way. Push it down.
Go the other
There you
way.
go. Somebody.
Back up some more. You can go back.
Back some more.
Back some more.
Let's see if it's good, right?
She does do pretty good.